we got a problem. Like, the shampoo had more slip than the conditioner. That's normally not how this works. What is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I know I literally haven't posted a video in like 2 months. Y'all know life just got a little crazy, and this is a hobby for me. This is a lot of fun, and I really love the impact that I'm able to make on here with these videos that I create. Plus, I love having this community of us, like, where we can just talk. This whiteboard where every week I go and like plan out my week and all the things that I have to get done for the week, and like it's just a bunch of craziness because that's my life. But hey, I'm working for a dream, you know what I'm saying? And so, I do what it takes. I do what it takes, you know? Last week was so stressful. Not stressful because I don't get stressed, but it was very overwhelming. I have been growing and learning and learning to say no more. Not saying yes to everybody just because they ask me to do something, but really sitting there and thinking like, do I really have time for this? Do I really want to do this, you know? And like saying no to the things that I should be saying no to, you know what I'm saying? Instead of just saying yes just cause. We getting through, you know what I'm saying? And so I'm really trying, no, let me stop saying that. There is no try. You do or you do not. I'm just uploading videos whenever I get some time to make the videos, okay? I'm not gonna say I'm trying to upload all the time because you're gonna do it or you're not gonna do it. For a minute, I didn't really know what video to make, you know? Like, y'all, I haven't really been getting a lot of questions, hair questions from you guys a lot. Besides like a couple people who ask me questions like all the time, but a lot of the questions that some of y'all ask me are like questions that I already answered in a video, and so I've made videos on like a lot of stuff, so I don't even know what to make videos on now because I already made videos on a ton of stuff. But I just thought, like, I was in Ulta the other day and I was just like, wait a second, there's a lot of curly hair products that I haven't tried like on my channel, and so I was like, I could do reviews. That'll give me tons of video ideas because there are tons of products that I could review. And so I was like, that's a good idea. So if you guys have a certain type of video that you want, a certain question you want me to answer or whatnot, drop it down below because otherwise I don't know what to make. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be doing some reviews. Now hopefully one day people will be sending me products to review. The only companies that send me products right now are Diva Curl and Sally Beauty. The rest of them don't even care about me, so that's that. So yeah, I do have to spend my hard-earned cash, my hard-earned money to buy these products to review. Today's review is on the Pattern Hair Care collection. So this is a collection of hair products by Tracee Ellis Ross, which if you don't know who she is, you've probably seen her before. You might not know her name, but you've seen her before. She is Diana Ross's daughter. She is in Blackish and Mixed-ish, and you see her on all the red carpets and stuff rocking her natural hair, and you've seen her before. I was in Ulta and I was trying to figure out what do I want to do a review on. I really want to review the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk collection, but they're sold out everywhere. So I saw this collection and I was like, this will be interesting. First off, can we say packaging? Yes, I'm literally going to Georgia on Tuesday, and I'm about to put my like hair products and skincare and all that stuff in this bag and take it right with me. Packaging is a A++++. I love it. Now, and then they have this thing too where like the bottles are like a little face, so like she would like cover up the eye, and you see how it's like, y'all are catching the drift. But the packaging comes in this really nice little zip bag, and it's a reusable bag. Products fit perfectly like in their little spots and stuff. Now this is the little sample kit that they had. They do sell the products individually, and she is a real one for this because her instructions on the back don't say use a dime size, because nobody's using a diamond size, you know what I'm saying? They actually say like use a lot. She's a real one for that. She also knows that us naturals need a lot of product, and so what she also did was she made 3 different sizes. So this is the sample size, which is big for a sample. You know, some companies give you a sample size that's like this small. What is that gonna do? I can barely even do a section of that. She gave us really big samples. This whole kit was 24 bucks. She also has like a bigger size and then a really big size, because you know we need a lot of product. I have 2 concerns with this, and I haven't tried any of this yet. Tracee Ellis Ross is older, and so one of my concerns is that this hair care line is going to be for aged hair. Now I'm not sure I'm not sure, but I do have a concern around that. I feel like she made this hair care collection for her, you know? Older hair acts a little different than younger hair. And so that's why I feel like I'm a little bit afraid that this might be for aged hair, but it might be fine, so I don't know, we'll have to see. My other concern is that Tracee Ellis Ross is known for rocking a big frizzy fro. She is not one to be into all that definition. You know, I love definition. She's not really into it. She likes it to be frizzy and big, you know what I'm saying? And so there is no styler. She does not sell a styler. All it is shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in. We got a problem. I'm gonna have to use a different styler, but I hope that this mixes well with the stylers, because I'm gonna go rinse my hair and I'm gonna come back and then we are gonna use the shampoo right here in my room on camera. Okay, so I just rinsed my hair. I am going to go in with the shampoo from the line. Okay, cool. So it's paraben free, free of sulfates, or 2 types of sulfates. It's safe for color. It doesn't have 1 type of silicone in it, but it does have another type of silicone, so I wouldn't use it all the time, but here and there it's okay. Pretty goopy, what it looked like. It's like snot. Ooh, okay. I really love it being in this bottle though. It makes it super easy to get out. So we're just gonna, I normally do this in the shower, so it's kind of weird doing it here. Okay, I like the smell a lot, and I like how gentle this is. It's like, it feels like so gentle. Like, I feel like this is like conditioner. Okay, this is yes. Yes, yes, and yes. And I'm making a mess. I'll make sure I get up in my scalp. Okay, this shampoo feels great. It is so just like soft. Like if I made a shampoo, this is how I would want the formula to feel like. It just feels so good. Like this might be one of my top products. I just hate that it has silicone in it, but maybe that's why it feels so good. I don't know. Make sure you get your crown. That's a part of our head that gets neglected a lot. It's very important. I'm excited to see what the conditioner feels like if this is the shampoo. I feel like I could leave this shampoo in my hair and just go. This shampoo feels really good. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. Like I feel like I could legit sleep in this and my hair would not feel stripped out. Like that's how it feels. Just rinse my hair out. Next step, which is the heavy conditioner for coilies. Okay, so I got the right one, I think. There's one for curly, there's one for coily, and then there's one for super tight. And this is a lot thicker. I don't really like thick conditioners. Yeah, cause see, I have to use a lot of this. And okay, it smells good, but it also smells bad at the same time. You know what I'm saying? I had to kind of use a lot more this time. Like it smells good. It smells like, I'm trying to think of the scent. It smells like plumeria. It smells like plumeria, which is a flower, but it also has something else in it that I don't like. Also, it does not have a lot of slip. The slip is there, but it's not like, oh, this is real good. Like this probably, from the feel of it right now, this isn't a conditioner I would buy again. Like I have to use a lot, and it's just like super thick. The shampoo I would definitely buy again. Like I'm probably going to buy the big one because that shampoo is real. It's legit. But this conditioner is okay. Like the shampoo had more slip than the conditioner. That's normally not how this works. Hair is rinsed out, and now we are going to go in with the leave-in. Now I'm going to split my hair into 2 because I want to make sure I get the leave-in everywhere. So we're going to take the leave-in, and I'm afraid that this is going to be extra thick because this is for the super tight curls, but we will see. It's not that thick. Oh yeah, I think this is going to be a banger. Oh yeah. Oh yes, the slip on this is 10 times better, and it's super moisturizing. This is a hit. This is a hit. It definitely lines up with some of my favorite leave-ins. I like it. This is really good stuff. She really did that with this. This product I would buy again. My hair feels so soft, so good, so moisturized and taken care of. As soon as it made contact with my hair, it was like, oh, y'all saw, it was like, oh, this is nice. Yo, this is really good. Like, I'm really impressed. That's that. I'm going to do my hair and then I'll come back and let y'all know the tea on this collection. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to show you, this is my hair so far. This leave-in is legit, yo. What is up? So I'm back. Hair is done. Y'all, the definition. Come on now. Come on now. I'm really like the master of definition out here. Look at these perfect curls. Perfect, bro. Perfect. What? What? So, yeah. Now I just gotta let my hair dry. Probably gonna diffuse it a little bit. But y'all, look, bro, my hair is really let's get back to the collection because that's what this whole video is about. My hair looks so good, y'all. The shampoo is Kobe approved. I am definitely buying more of this, probably the big one. I love this shampoo. It's so good. It's so good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Just don't use it all the time. So the shampoo is Kobe approved. Highly recommend. The conditioner wasn't my favorite. Didn't really like it. I'll leave all the products linked down below. The conditioner, it just wasn't, I'm not a fan. It wasn't that good. It was okay, it was decent, but I would not spend my money and buy this again. If I was given it for free, maybe I'd use it again, like if I ran out of stuff. But this is not a conditioner that I would spend my money and buy again. So the conditioner was a bit of a flop. Maybe if I used a different conditioner from one of her different lines, it would have been good. But for this one, I did not really like it. This was the heavy conditioner for coilies. And last but not least, we have the leave-in conditioner. And this jank right here, a banger. I loved this. This and the shampoo are definitely two of my favorite products now. I would definitely keep these in my collection, in my kit. These are also products that I feel like I would be confident with taking with me to use on other people's hair. Because I want to start doing it more, but I do natural hair just for my sister and my mom all the time. I do my mom's hair literally every week. And I do my sister's hair here and there. And then here and there, a friend will ask me like, hey, can I do your hair? Can you do my hair? Can you do my hair? And I'm like, yeah, cool. And I can really get their hair to really look good. And there are select products that I always feel comfortable with going and putting them in anybody's hair and knowing that they'll work. And these two are two of them right here. These two are products that I am pretty confident I could bring to anybody's head and they would work. This is the collection. I am loving these two. And let's not forget about this packaging. I will be taking this out, you know, and I will be reusing this bag. Like, this is dope. Reusable. I love it. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching my channel. And I appreciate your time so much. I really do appreciate you. Like I said before, let me know if there's any videos that you want to see, or there's anything different that you want to see. Like maybe it's not a hair video, but maybe it's like a fashion video, or maybe a skincare video, or because my skincare has changed a little teeny tiny bit. Let me know what you want to see. Otherwise, I'm gonna just keep making reviews. I'm gonna keep buying new products and trying new products. I know somebody asked me for an updated baby hair video, so I'm gonna make that. Somebody else asked me to do a rating my subscribers hair video, so I'm gonna do that. I don't know how to put that together, but I'll probably announce it on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow your boy on Instagram, so that I can, you know, when I'm doing the I'm rating my subscribers hair video, so that you can enter it, because yeah, that would be cool. And also I really want to do this thing where I fly out to one of y'all and I do your hair. I really want to do that, like really want to do that. Maybe if I hit 20K, I'm flying out to one of y'all and doing your hair. That could be my 20K giveaway. That sounds pretty dope. Can we do that? Y'all think we'll hit 20K? Like I say in every video, I appreciate you, and I appreciate you spending your time here with me. There's so many videos on the internet, and the fact that you're sitting here watching my video really means so much to me. This channel has become something so much bigger than I shouldn't say I ever imagined it would be, but like I expected it. You know, it's so much bigger than I had expected it to be. And I'm just so grateful for everybody who who really supports me and like really is here. You know, you have a few haters and, you know, naysayers and people like that here and there, but it's a lot of y'all who really hold it down, and I really appreciate y'all so much. But yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.